student, class 7, this is your science lecture. We are studying unit number 8. In this lecture we will do exercise question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. You have to write question number 1 and 2 on your book and question number 3, 4 and 6 on your notebook. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The nucleus of an atom contains option A. Electron and neutron. Option B. Proton and electron. Option C. Proton and neutron. Option D. Proton only. Answer is option C. Proton and neutron. Question number 2. Electron in an atom have A. Positive charge, B. Negative charge, C. No charge, D. Electric charge. Answer is option B. Negative charge. Number 3. The number of proton in an atom is called option A. Atomic number, option B. Mass number, option C. Electronic number, option D. None of these. Answer is option A. Atomic number. The number of electron in an atom is dash the number of proton. Option A. Greater than, option B. Equal to, option C. Less than, option D. Lesser than. Answer is option B. Equal to. Number 5. The best description of an element in a substance in which option A. All the atoms are same, all the atoms have same atomic number, all the molecules are same, all the atoms cannot be split up by any means electron. Answer is option A. All the atoms are same. Number 6. The four substances below are solid. Which of them are made up of more than one kind of an atom? A. Iron, B. Tin, C. Ice, D. Carbon. Answer is option C. Ice. Ice is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Number 7. Dash is combining power of an atom. A. Tendency, B. Valency, C. Accuracy, D. Density. Answer is option B. Valency. Number 8. Isotope are form of same element which have different A. Atomic number, B. Electronic structure, C. Number of electron, D. Number of neutron. Answer is number of neutron. Option D. 9. We can find out the dash of a compound by number of atoms in their ratio. A. Formula, B. Same, C. Valency, D. Proton. Answer is A. Formula. Question number 2. Fill in the blank. Matter is made up of many particles called atom. The sum of number of proton and neutron in an atom is called mass number. The first orbit of any atom can only dash have electron. 2. The last orbit of an atom cannot have more than 32 electrons. Number E. When an atom loses electron, it becomes positive charge ion. Question number 1. Question number 3. Recall question. Describe the structure of an atom. Atom are the tiny particles which are building block of all substances. The word atom, which means indivisible. The smallest particle. Atom are made up of different number of these three particles: electron, proton and neutron. Nucleus is made up of proton and neutron. Electron are moving around the nucleus. Atom has equal number of proton and neutron. Proton has positive charge, electron have negative charge, neutron are neutral particles. Question number B, part 1. What is an element? An element is a substance that is made up of only one kind of atom. Sodium is made up of sodium atom only. Altogether, 118 different elements are known. Question number B, part 2. Write the formula of symbol of following elements: carbon, capital C; nitrogen, capital N; hydrogen, capital A; oxygen, capital O; sulfur, capital S; phosphorus, capital B; calcium, capital C, small a; chlorine, capital C, small l. Question number 3. Define valency. What does the valency of element depend upon? The valency of an element is number of electron in an atom lose, gain or share to form a compound. The valency of element depends upon number of electrons the element has in outermost shell. Hydrogen has valency of 1 because it has only 1 electron in outermost shell. Question number D, part 1. The formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Number 1. How many electrons in their sulfuric acid? How many elements in the sulfuric acid? How many atoms are in molecule of sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid has 3 elements: sulfur, hydrogen and oxygen. The total number of atoms in sulfuric acid is 7. 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atom. Question number 4. Explain the difference between proton and neutron. Proton are positive charged particles present inside the nucleus of an atom. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. They have negative charge. Atomic number and mass number. The number of proton in an atom is called atomic number. It is shown by symbol capital Z. Mass number. The sum of proton and neutron in an atom is called mass number. It is shown with a symbol capital A. C. Element and isotope. Element. Difference between element and isotope. Element is a substance that is made up of only one kind of atom. Sodium is made up of only sodium atoms. Altogether 118 different elements are known. Some are natural and some are artificially made by the scientists. Isotope. The atom of same element has same number of proton but different number of neutron is called to isotope. Isotope has same atomic number but different mass number. Isotope has same chemical but different physical properties. Question number 6. What is an isotope? Give 2 examples of elements which have isotope. Isotope. In an atom, the number of electron and proton are equal. When atom of same element have different number of neutron, it is said to be an isotope. Isotope have same atomic number but different mass number. Hydrogen has 3 naturally occurring isotopes. Examples are hydrogen has 3 isotopes: protium, hydrogen 1, deuterium, hydrogen 2, tritium, hydrogen 3. Carbon have 3 isotopes: C12-16, C13-16, C14-16, and C12-16. Carbon have 12 proton plus neutron total. In C13-16, carbon have 13 proton and neutron, 7 neutron, 6 proton. In carbon, C14-16 have 8 neutron and 6 proton. These 2 are example of isotopes. Now your chapter is completed. Do exercise number 1, 2 on your book and learn these. And do exercise number 3, recall questions. Exercise number 4 and exercise number 6 on your notebook and learn all these questions very carefully.